Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
This is like directions to walk on her left side without stepping on her.
It is a great figure to do at the milonga right away. And before we go to the dance floor, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell for notification.
Now let's jump to the dance floor.
Okay, here in the dance floor, we're going to start working right away with this beautiful move.
So we're going to show you how the leader can walk on her left side, how to lead that, and for the followers to wait for that moment without changing your body weight. Let's do that. Very simple moment. We'll do a side step, lifting and walking on her left. Let's do only 2 steps and position again. So it's a lot of technique to learn here and we'll show you right away.
Yes. So what are we doing here? We are doing this side step. First, one important thing is that we need to lift her. Going up while we change body weight. We need to create a space. Did you notice that I'm almost ready to walk on this side? I need to move my hip to the other side while I'm lifting her. Otherwise, she will change with me, and this is not what we want. This is cross system. Walking one, sending the leg first. Sending the leg first from here, and we transfer weight. Now, from here, we're going to bounce. Did you notice that I'm not rotating? The most common thing is to do this. Don't do it yet. Keep your hand in front of her and lower for her to extend. And what I'm doing here, can I rewind and do that only that last movement? Instead of keeping my line, I will go diagonal to stay very much in front of her. That's an adjustment that we have to go back to the line of dance.
For the followers, if you notice, we have body weight on the right leg at the beginning. Very important is not to switch weight by yourself. Don't do tum-tum by yourself. Always on the first step on the side, be sure you have the shoulder blades, a connection with the leader to know if you should keep body weight on your right or change to your left. Mostly on the basic step, when we initiate the moves, it's always on your right. But in this case, it's a little confusing because you see or you feel him moving.
Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part.
Moving in front of you. See, he's changing body weight from one side to the other. But he's leading, lifting on my back, shoulder blades. And I feel that because I have the connection, shoulders back, elbows back, rather than this. If I'm forward or weak on the shoulders, weak on the arms, then he lifts and I go up and I don't feel it. And then I see he's moving and I go with him. So this is wrong. Don't do that. As soon as you feel he's stepping side, lifting, holding the position, it means he can change body weight and he needs you to stay on your right leg. So in this case, he will move to the side and we walk back with the left. Also, the position of your torso is not facing him square.
Yes.
In front. We keep walking backwards. Torso, of course, is front with a close embrace and the intention of your face is to him. I will not face outside this way, but not shoulders square with him. In this case, we have L position, straight to the side. And from here, I feel the next move. In this case, I can cross because he stops the move. So we go front. And now, yes, we feel him in front a little bit. Still, we are not closing right shoulder ever. It's more left ribs, back to position. When we are in front of a leader, it's very important to feel like you are lifting, growing taller instead of going down here, bending, waiting with the soft knees. So we are waiting in front of the leader, always like ready in axis, lifting ourselves to be light, to feel the pivot if we need, or the second step. So lift your ribs, bring your body to the toes, don't use the heels too heavy down on that moment.
We're going to show you from the other side right away. So we have one lift, change, walk, one, walk, 2 and 3 and 4. And from here, of course, you can resolve or do another figure if you want. So it is important, something that I would like to mention when we are doing this. You can walk forever if you want on this side, but here is the thing. I will keep the diagonal position. If you see it from that camera, you will be able to see that I'm moving my right elbow a little bit forward and my left a little bit back. Yes? So that way she knows that she will create a space. Did you notice? I will exaggerate this very much. Look at my right elbow. Even without my step, she's moving the leg. Plus, I lower, open the position for her, and then I will have all the space to walk. Same here. I will send her from my right shoulder blade, and then I accommodate. Did you notice that I pivot? This is important. And then lift her, breathing together, and then the rest, of course. Before you go, make sure to check out the next recommendations that we have up there and the ones coming right after this.
Thank you for watching the videos. We love to be your tango instructors.
Bye.